Well guys, here it is, Wednesday afternoon. I have no power at my house. There's my dog going to the bathroom. We have about 5 or 6 inches of snow already on the ground. And schools were canceled today. All government buildings were closed today because it is blizzard conditions. Very, very, very snowy and cold. Good old Northwest. Pile of snow on my porch here. Little doggy Prince, so cute. And my dog is gonna get buried in the snow. Princess, come on! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Here is what's going on though in my world. What are you doing?
Get ready to shovel the driveway.
Oh, we had to order food because, well, we don't have anything to cook and we can't go to the store. What are you doing, Princess? Are you sticking a crap right there? Oh no, it's stuck in her fur. There's my dog. Poop stuck in her fur again. Alright guys, well that's what's going on in my world, so yep, not fun. I'll try to get this uploaded hopefully today. If not, well, as soon as I can. See ya.